16,500.
Oye.
Pilot.
Oye, go.
What do you want to you? Why will you look? Sakwana Samba, wala ujejeje. Why will you look? Sasana Samba, whatever. What am I watching? Moko. Everyone Sankaya.
That's it. Video number Mama produce. That's it. Nanama.
Very soon, the baby is here.
Nanama.
Listen. Yeah.
You know what? Stop the cooking. Stop the cooking. Yes, Banana, you know what? I think the people who are you are not telling. This guy is your boyfriend. You are dating this guy. This guy is your boyfriend. Either you tell me the truth, and I end the ever pack when you're Marco. Are you ready to tell me the truth?
Eddie, there is nothing.
There is something. There is something. You know this guy. This place is a residential area. Most of our cars are in your way. Bing, 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 bing. Is that how it is? Tell me the truth, and I will be okay with you. Araba.
Eddie, you know it has not come to this. Eddie, control Eddie. Please, Eddie.
Are you ready to tell me the truth?
Eddie.
Are you prepared? Are you ready?
There is nothing.
What is going on between you and this guy?
There is nothing. Be anymore, Eddie, please. Eddie, me patrol.
Can't you see how serious I am about you?
I know, baby, I know. But
listen, Araba. Bye. Jano, come on. I can't take this. And now, don't worry. The bay already there. The back kind of price you can come back.
Please, let me finish that.
I can never live with a woman who has so much skeletons in her closet. And you did.
Better not get in a cafe.
Means I have a symbiote. In your Morocco, do you know what is going on?
I'm sorry.
Do you know what is going on? Because I'm you don't know what is going on.
I'm sorry, brother.
You've never seen me like this before. That means I'm serious.
Right.
Jano, come on, I can't take this anymore, please.
Okay.
No, later. When you are ready to tell me the truth, this home is your home. I promise you.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, okay. This home is your home, Mama. You don't do this to me. You can come back anytime, my dear. My uncle. Please. Listen, you're my brother. Is
she ready to tell the truth? She's not. So away. Oh, please.
Oh, later.
Ebo. Ma baba.
Yaba.
Transe.
Oh.
Nsa ye kama de. Okay.
Lady na wutu.
Say
phone uko hu no efa.
Me kwaya na da, ukoya na me hu se da.
E da ha hin.
Ne dem ha.
Me kom hwehwe hin na asa na me ko na phone ni
na da dining table no so me ukoya na me hu se da ho. Oba bi frɛ o. O se frɛ no yi Rebecca.
Ndidie. O se den.
Oba bi frɛ o se frɛ no Rebecca.
Adi ankra no di jai.
Adi ankra no di jai. O frɛ me se o se honey. Sweetheart, and no frame me.
Now, when the mouth finds me phone ring, I was over.
Hey,
When the mouse out to me,
we're at Tobase.
There is a phone who fancy.
Man, fancy, not that dining table, no son, I'm going to make a tomeba. I miss what I'm many free. Or phone no belly, any one send me mefa. I
didn't know was over.
Now, ref is our enemy.
And today,
no pass far for not so secret to be. Who secret be here? Ah, then.
Who knows that woman?
I'm from some.
Who say we are serious?
Sudden.
Me phone the ring girl. Remember the children me phone the ring girl also to me fa. Now receive me calls. Nti elo tra ofa phone say man apesa wo di phone here no.
They make a want ya na phone so they to wa hunu nyansa so de obato baabi e. Ade wo ya de. Hweye. Hwe na wa mama to me me hunu nyansa. Ade na hwan. Wo me kasa phone. Oh, so na fa ka me o menyam what me ka tro.
Enti di ai. Nti nyem na wonyem ni hu kwasasam na wo di.
Ade kwasasam na me di. Ade nti na ka tem say.
E give me tell me phone.
Oh, kwani to na me ka me tro. Kwani to ade hweye.
Ya wona so what ya me. Wonya ntaban. Enye sa.
Aha me pese me bisa wo say. Bible ukọ ye kan say ukọ court mu kura na. Oba ni be mu nyina mu ye equal.
Nkwasi asam na wo ka say me no me enye equal. Phone enye me no me no dia me phone. Me personal phone. Ese wo fa phone ni say.
Na say wo ye secret bi wo so. Enti na me fa phone a wo bu afu no. Ade nti no ofre sweetheart. Me no me no hwan na wo so ofre. Hwan na wo so ofre me sweetheart. Ha? Hwan na wo so ofre me sweetheart. Ade nti na wo no oba foforo efre wo sweetheart. Ade nti wo kama me tie na me nya kwan. No na me bi so asem no. Ade nti wo ofre sweetheart. Kama me tie ade na me bi so asem wo mu amen. No na me bi so asem no. E ko fi agiri. No na me bi so asem no. Wo fa hey. Ade ai. Bra na wo kwa hefa. Hey. Wo kwa he. Wanim na agu ase. Wanim na howa. Na de akwa na me makora wo tumi sisi yense. Na wo me kunu ne wo. Na sa wo phone da ho. Na me be fa. Wo si ade ntina your personal shoe personal phone. Personal phone ase kire sei. Na me nu mienu nyina ye ho number akon. Ade ntina me fa phone na wani abere. Ewurade. Me ma me kan yo. Me ma me kan ye, adwoa kan ye. Na me ma dwin nyina agu. E na me ka hwe piem. Nya hwe. Na phone no so de kita me. Yes what trim ni pakora. O frɛ me sweetheart no. Me wonkwa o so frɛ me sweetheart. No o be frɛ me sweetheart no. Wo be trim ni pakora yo de. Phone we say nya sa kam de be hyewo ni mabubum me. Sakai. Me ya be do ka sa kam ni do ayi. Sa.
Okay, Jawan. Oh, sure. Oh, Naka. And I'm a taxi now. Taxi no, sir. Me okay. Oh, sure. Hey, Naka. Oh, sure that you're okay.
Me see me okay.
Oh, sorry. Please. And I tell you more work, okay. And tell you I'm not me. Anna,
It's me go inside. Why?
Dama. Taxi listen. Oh, I want you. Okay. No, the tree.
My
You know what? Tell me the truth. And I'll be yours forever. You know that? What is going on? What is going on? You know what? Do you want this to be mine forever?
It's yours. It's yours. I would dear, Eddie. I would dear.
Then you have to tell me the truth. I have to know everything.
Minka. This is a point of no return. I can't say that. Should I say the truth? Are you sure? Okay. Martin. Okay, make a try. I'm happy. Meninako Auda, he was my boyfriend. Oh, Eddie, it's not what you think. I can explain. At that time, Eddie, send me xiao. I was just, as a young girl, I was trying to make ends meet. Pacho.
So why didn't you tell me the truth from the beginning? It's not that kind of question. Stop lying to me. So what is it about the music? And you're not boy chairman. What is that? And you're not boy one who phoned and I'm saying, you know, because I mean, Miss will not tell me whatever was in that thing. What was it?
I'm ready to tell you everything now. Actually, no, meneno have the affair and you cover it and you try. I didn't know.
And how about the Messica, some 16.5, 14.5?
The only one that did mommy, he just they share maybe I know mommy Messica. I don't know amounted to that.
So no calling in iron.
Yeah, that's the truth. He just can't stand the fact that me Jano. I've met you and I don't need him anymore.
You know what? Even though the truth hurts sometimes, but we all have our past. It'll be when you look at you, make a past to show why you will not be happy. So come on, stop crying. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go do the lab test. And next week we are getting married.
Okay.
Let's go.